Hello everyone. Actually, I've lost the count of days that we have been doing this. So yes, I don't give a damn about what the day is going on. But let's just start with it because I haven't recorded any videos in the past 2 days. So yes, let's start. By the way, please comment down how was the ASMR of eating Amul cheese cube in the comments down below. So yes, we can improve later on. Okay, today there is no time limit. I am not setting any time limit for today because let's see how much can I talk. I just want to talk with myself because I am actually bored. Bored would be not suitable, but I am not feeling to do anything today. So yes, let's just talk with myself because it adds in the later half. This is the days on which you do not feel like doing this shit, but you do it anyway because out of discipline and not out of motivation and also consistency. Okay, let's start with today's video of being more expressive with my thoughts and my mouth, building good connection with my mouth and my brain. I didn't went to college yesterday. Yesterday was actually Friday, so yes, I didn't went to college yesterday because I slept. To be honest, sleeping is more important to me than attending the college and dreaming about sleeping. So yes, that is one reason. I go to college out of discipline and also out of attendance because attendance is very important in order to sit for the exam lecture. Also, fun fact, I have not yet purchased any books, any reference books to purchase to study. Also, my mama is an idiot. Like actually he came back in past 2 or 3 days, I think, if I'm not wrong, and he told me that he will tell me about whether he is going to start the classes or not of stock market. But yes, he didn't inform me, and now because of him I can't even join any other classes. So yes, let alone the ECCA topic. Actually, I don't trust my parents. They just say things and don't do it because I have an experience. Sometimes, see, it's a situation, but sometimes they are like that only. I can't say anything. I can't do anything because I have to be solution oriented and not blame game oriented. So yes, what else can we do about it? See, I don't want to be sound negative or something, but if I don't act, uh, I have to do something, because I can't just sit every day and play guitar while there is nothing I can do. Because I have to have some ambitions in my life and target or a goal, or else I can't do anything and feel like bored every day. So yes, that is one point. The other is I want to work every hour, every minute, and every second. That will uh, orient me, orient no, that will put me on my way to achieve my goals. My goals are very clear: to achieve financial independence, not living like this, always bargaining, uh, always bargaining, always seeing the price tag, and criticizing for eating good food. See, I love eating food, but also I can't eat anything. I have to eat healthy, like proteins. Hmm? Protein is there, then your carbs is there, then fibers, vegetables, meat. I actually love this type of eating, but due to not money, vitamin M deficiency, I can't eat it, let alone eat it. I'm not even living the life. See, comfort is the killer of your goals. Once you get comfortable in where you are, your growth stops. My father, he grew up in very uncomfortable situations, so he studied with a discipline and achieved his dream. But he never dreamed any further. He got two opportunities. First, which we can't say an opportunity, but we can say a possibility, that his old boss told him that he would make him the CEO of the company. The company was not very well known, but being the CEO would have been different, and not like he was raised in a good conditions or privilege. So he knew his way around. So yes, that was one. And the other one was when he was employed in ICICI Bank. He got the choice to go to Canada, if I'm not wrong, Canada or California. But yes, he also didn't took that opportunity because of family. Uh, See, I think now I'm thinking differently. In the future, I will think differently, in the past, I have think differently, that he should have taken the opportunity of Canada or California actually, because see, the first one was the possibility that whether he would make or not, that was questionable, but the second opportunity was life changing, because the it would have been different if I was an international school student or person. International life would have been very different. Living standards would be very different. Yes, the respect he would have gained, the income he would have earned, will have would have been very different, because see, ICICI Bank is a big bank, and my father is a hard worker, so he would have gotten more opportunities there than rather being here. So it is not a small thing that your boss asks you uh, from his that your boss asked to go to another country to open a house or work there. I'm not sure. Open a bank or open another office. I'm not sure what it is. But yes, it would have been life changing, not only for me, but also my mother and also my whole family. Because in India there is no future. Judging by the conditions that are today, I can't even think of living there in the coming future. I will not live there. Also, my goals are very different. My goals are like to live in the mountains in Switzerland or some place there. In Europe, I would love a European wife and not an Indian wife to bear superior babies. See, oh, see the I am dreaming about or I am thinking in my mind. Yes. That is that. Then what else can we talk it about? I feel very bad looking at my father because he is always struggling to meet the ends, always struggling to be more employable because he didn't believed in himself because he had the talent to become CA. He would have become CA, but due to his financial condition he could not. But I still think that is debatable. If you, the points where I mentioned, yes, but life would have been very different if he would have became a CA or cracked any government exam because he had all the talent in the world but not exposure, I would say. Yes. But I am not going to do I am not thinking of doing any conventional thing. But that is the point. If you do conventional thing and become very best at it, you get the no, it's actually universal. Become best at one thing to gain access to best people at other things. Because people who are first would love to interact with people who are first in their respective sectors and not some losers who just dream of becoming first and not put the work in. So yes, that's the point. Also the connections matters too because you can develop the talent, you can develop the work while working, you can max out your stats while working, but if you have not the perfect connections to get into your respective field, it's going to be very difficult because we humans are social creatures and live off favor of each other. So yes, it is very important to socialize. Socialize would be with the people around you or anyone, but I would say network. Network with people who have net worth, who have network of highly influential people. Let them it be in your area, your college, your class, or in your building. You have to network with people who are influential in order to make your life smooth. And in order to make your network, you can be extremely good with the social skills or be extremely good at one thing, which would help you to get in connection with those people you like, with highly influential people. I think I have positive mental field about no. Yes, that's my view, and I'm quite confused because some people say find your passion and work on it. Some people say develop your passion and work on it. I'm a little bit confused. Should I develop my passion and work for it, or should I find my passion and work on it? That's a bit confusing for me because if I get addicted to one thing, I can't think about doing other. Competition is my biggest motivator, and fear of failing prevails me or holds me back from doing certain things. Yes, I am ready to accept my flaws and move and work on it to make a change in my flaws. Yes, so now actually I'm thinking two to three career paths. The first is a guitar player, I think, join a band or something. Second is sports bodybuilding. I'm thinking because my body is reacting well to muscles. My muscles are reacting way better than other people. Yes, and also I'm thinking of studying because I am not going to get any generational wealth. In fact, I would get a generational debt to my name. Yes. So because my father, like him, is thinking to put me also on education loan. See, loan is very bad, I think, because you get trapped in loan, in internal loan. Let's loan this, let's loan that. You do not do any positive, maybe positive return. uh, I think loan is very bad. It can ruin families. If there is only sole breadwinners, and I feel quite bad about the people who are in loan or below poverty line. Like today, my aunt Swati Umya, I call her. She sold her Mangastra, if I'm not wrong, in order to fund her child's, my brother's education. See, I felt very bad because this is the cycle of life. If you would have gone a decade earlier, she was rich off of other person's money, but she was still rich. She was showing attitude, tantrum towards my family. But now look at her. Her husband's her husband sat on one place, is doing nothing. Sat on one place is not a word. Don't mix Marathi with English. Yes. Her husband is now sad, does not do any work. Her kids don't respect her. Yes. And she is living off on her connection and loan from other people's. Like that, my other aunt also, Pinky Maushi. I don't think she's she's rich. I think she's rich. I'm thinking of living alone until I achieve, unless and until I achieve financial freedom. Because I don't want anyone of my family to suffer because of me. So yes, I'm thinking like that. Hmm, let's see, but I have to build connections, and connection won't be built by going to any schools. I have to go into the elite schools like IIM, Harvard, because these are the school where there are people which are like-minded and are addicted to the craft. So yes, I have to go there, network with them, and find the person suitable, or the person who is capable, or else it would be for nothing. Today actually I talked for 21 minutes, which is good considering that I skipped today's. But let's hope we meet tomorrow. let's end this discussion today, and let's hope we meet tomorrow. Bye.